Make over. Make class. Khadija. Another Khadija. So sorry, I forgot your name. Just wave. Hi. Thomas. Don't smile. Levi. Elvis. Wave now. Smile. Zambran. Favor. Why are you shy? Outside. This is our able one and only class rep. Jethro.
So guys, this is our 200 level class. The other class you saw was 100 level. So when we got to 100 level, we moved to this class. And yeah, this is just what our class looks like. On this particular day, we are preparing for anatomy practical. So it's dissection. We go in, we dissect dead bodies that are meant for practicals. So this was our first day, and we're just preparing to enter for the very first day. And you know, we're all skeptical about it. So this is me dissecting. I was actually the first person in my set to start to dissect the body.
And then make I do a big. Give me the angle, make I do. No, wait, see. You have to take all this thing. Stop.
So 3 hours later, we finally finished. You can see me holding my face like this. I was already beginning to feel sick. Like I felt sick for like 2 days after this dissection, because you guys saw I was not using the face masks when dissecting. So the formalin, what they used to preserve the body, like I inhaled a lot of it, and it disturbed me. Like this particular class, the lecture, I was not even paying attention. I think I didn't even come to school the next day. Or it really shook me. And after that day, I did not dissect without my nose marks or face marks. Yeah. So this is what our dissection kit looks like. We have all the instruments for picking, slicing, cutting, poking. So people just came to collect things they ordered for, and this is just what our dissection kit looks like. Right. So this is one of those days I would dress up and I'm ready to go to school, and then you know my baby is not going to be feeling so well, and I'll have to miss school just to take her to the hospital. So this day we went to get our folder, and we're through. We're about to go and see the doctor in the pediatric department. When you are a mom and you're a student, sometimes you have to just forget that degree and you know think about your family.
Energy. It's not easy to stay for that long. So Debino will give us more energy. Khadija, come and join my video. You do not wear purple hijab today. Come, Jahe. Why you don't want purple hijab? She's always wearing purple. Khadija don't wear purple hijab today. Let's hear from you. So what do you want me to say? Anything. Hello, people. Let me tell you guys something. Khadija now started doing makeup. When Khadija came 100 level, she was a very good girl. Her hijab was very long. You will never see Khadija wear program. But do you remember I told you in 100 level that in 200 level your hijab will be reducing, and by 300 level Khadija, it's red lipstick you will start wearing.
The protest was very serious in my own side here in Kaduna. Like basically this is where almost everything happened, because the governor's house is just like maybe 1 minute walk from here. You can see a lot of people out there. This is our military establishment anyway. So I recorded it and I never got to post any of these videos because I was already preparing for exams then. So yeah, this is just it. Amen. Bonjot is in Shiba.
Then we have posterior recurrent.
All of these things came out in the test though.
Most of these things.
None.
Oh, let's don't have it. It's caused by inflamed lymph node, which signifies infection or malignancy in the area or drainage of the node. Orbital muscle tumor, Baker CD joint capsule.
So it's the 3 of exams. I didn't do TDB the previous day, so I was coming from home and I almost missed my exams because of this rain. Anyways, I got to the hall 30 minutes late, but I was able to write something and I'm sure I'm going to pass the course by God's grace.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable. Oh, nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me, cause you love solitude more than me. Now I gaze in your eyes every night underneath kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here.
So I usually wear something that is thick, something that can prevent mosquitoes from biting me and cold from entering my body. You know, it's rainy season, we kept sleeping on the floor, so it got so cold, and then there were a lot of mosquitoes in the school. Also, I used to wear very long socks and wear comfortable trouser. You just want to wear something that's going to make you very comfortable throughout the night. This Khadija, take your legs away from me. Anyway, so after dressing up properly, I'll always bring this my wrapper just to cover up, and then I'll prepare for food as well. You have to bring food because you cannot possibly survive reading without food. You need food, you need sugar, anything like Coke, anything very sugary, you need it. You need water. My goodness. Also, I make provisions whenever I don't get food. I make provisions for bread or Coke or whatever. So this is Khadija too. We were just basically three reading in this class. Everybody had his own particular class when he was reading. So 3 of us mostly were reading in this class. Mostly we're the ones doing TDB in this class. So aside from that, I'll also bring my books and whatever jottings I've made and whatever handouts I have to read, whatever materials. I'm going to bring everything. In one of my previous videos, I spoke about how I read to pass. Anyways, so I bring all my reading materials, and the bulk of my reading materials is usually in my phone also. So you know, this is water for peeing, for drinking, and all of that. And that's basically it. This TDB was not funny at all. It was not funny. Oh my goodness, I cannot even, like, watching this all over again is giving me chills. Like, God, am I still going to go through this thing again in December? Because December I'll be writing another exams for 2nd semester. So it's giving me these chills, like, am I going to survive this? Anyways, that's how we've been surviving, and that's how we finished and we wrote these exams. So guys, I finally finished my exams. Oh, last paper. See my eyes. God, red eyes. I've been doing TDB every single day for 2 weeks. Oh my God, I'm missing my baby. Guys, if you're going to see the best crammer in my department, Khadija
I wrote her test, and immediately she just ran back to the hostel. I don't know why. I'm here to know why. Then I want you guys to.
I hope the tea is not hot for her.
I want you guys to meet our mommy, our nurse, our professional nurse, professional. Guys, if people are looking for who they call guru. So we are officially done with our exams for first semester 200 level. We just ended the exams with nursing course. I planned to vlog all through my exams preparation period and everything, but I could not. You guys, it was so hot. It was that hot. I could not record so many things. I could not record the time mosquito was biting me. I could not record. Guys, my boot was hot so bad. I could not record when we were. No, I actually recorded when some people were sleeping, but I could not record. Oh my God! No, I did not record you. So many things that went on, but we thank God. Let's just wait and see results. Okay? See you guys later.